in the Makita section here at Berlin's House Tools this lovely Thursday. I want to talk about a new 8.5 saw. It's been on the market for a while in the 40 volt Makita line. The things that we like about it are rail forward design. That's become a thing in the last few years that's been really popular. So if you had to put this thing up against a wall, you still have full travel. You could still get your vacuum, nozzle on for attachment for dust extraction. That is one of the largest features modern day for miter saws. There's nothing going through the back. You don't have to worry about cutting out a hole in the drywall in the shop to be able to make your miter saw work up against a wall. You can work in a small hallway and not have to worry about how much travel that the saw actually has. That's been big. The other thing we really like is you can adjust your bevel right from the front and lock it wherever you want to set it. And that's just that second lever here. Those two features alone, along with, you can trigger your vacuum. The dust collection's awesome. It's coming from two spots. While you're in a cut, you're here. And then when you finally push through the cut, you always get a lot of blowout. There's another cup in the back to catch the rest of that. So dust collection's great. Adjustability's great. We now include a couple of these little outfeed features, which is kind of nice. A little bit more of a wider stance on it. Yeah, been a great seller.
Baby.